Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. So we are doing a kitchen clean with me today. As you can see, my kitchen is destroyed. I actually filmed this before Christmas. This was like 2 days before Christmas Eve. I have been slacking on the YouTube videos. I've just been so crazy with the holidays and moving to the south for the winter, so I've just been completely just swamped with stuff. So I'm trying to get back into the YouTube game, but as you can see, my kitchen is destroyed. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. So before we get into this, I just wanted to say Happy New Year. Today is actually New Year's Day when I'm doing this voiceover. I've had this video pre-recorded for a while now, and I'm just getting around to filming it. And I also wanted to say, I'm sure a lot of you have heard the news about Brittany Leach's little boy Crew, and I just wanted to pay my respects and say that I'm praying for her and her family and baby Crew. I know it's such a hard time for them, but my heart is with them. I hope all of you guys are praying for them as well. If you don't pray, I hope you're just thinking about them because they are going through a really tough time, and I just wanted to pay my respect. So we're gonna go ahead and start off this kitchen clean with me just by taking everything off the countertops. I'm going all over the place in this video. That's why I kind of left the camera set up this way, just so you can see me going back and forth. This is normally what I do when I'm cleaning, going from one area to the other. I'm never cleaning like the same area at the same time unless I'm purposely filming it for a video. But we're gonna go ahead and just clear off the counters, get everything nice and clean, wipe everything down, clean the floor, do the dishes, all of that stuff. If you are new here, I just wanted to say welcome. My name is Carlie. I am a mama to a 1-year-old baby girl, and I do cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, DIYs, hauls, shop meets, all of that stuff here on this channel. So if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And this day that I was doing stuff in the kitchen, I was actually making Christmas cookies. So that's why my kitchen is completely destroyed on this day. There was flour and dough and sugar and all kinds of stuff everywhere. So it took me a little while to clean up the kitchen, but once I got it all cleaned, it was really nice to just have that feeling of it being all nice and clean. So I want to know, comment down below what goals you guys have for the 2020 year. I was actually just talking to a bunch of my YouTube girls, and we were talking about our goals, and I have a few, one of them being YouTube and just being better at posting and being more consistent and creating new content, and then just unplugging from social media, as in like not just sitting there while my toddler is playing on the floor scrolling through Instagram. I want to get on the floor with her and play and be more present with her. So I also have just a goal of, since my husband is a professional athlete, our life is really chaotic and our days look different every single day, but I would like to have like Evelyn and myself on a better schedule, as in like eating and nap time and work, and just trying to fit everything in the day, but like in time slots so it doesn't get too overwhelming, because I'm really bad at schedules. I mean, we have breakfast some days at 8 o'clock and some days at 10 o'clock, and it's just all over the place. So I want to be way better at that. So comment down below what goals you guys have for 2020. So if you guys are ever baking cookies and you're rolling them out on your countertop and you have all of that dough and flour left, I just take a spatula and kind of just scrape the counter. That way it doesn't scratch or anything, and it gets all of that stuff up really easily. Instead of me taking a towel and trying to pick it off, this just works way better. So that's a little tip for you guys. But we're going ahead and just cleaning off all the countertops, and I'm spraying them down with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
After Christmas, when I got home, we were only able to be home for 2 days before we had to leave to come down south. So my mom actually came up and we took down all of my Christmas decor, and I absolutely love all of the holidays. I love fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, all of that, but it was so nice to declutter my house because I'm one of those people who decorates really early. So my house has been decorated since, it's honestly decorated all year round. I decorate for summer, 4th of July, fall. So it was really nice to just have everything like nice and clean and simple and not cluttered. So, but I am excited to go home and decorate for the springtime once we get back in April. I'll probably be decorating for Easter and then summer, but let me know down below, do you guys decorate your homes like all year round for Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day and Easter? Let me know down below because I'm curious.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my
As I was cleaning, the cookies were still baking, so I'm just going ahead and putting them over here on this cooling sheet so I can go ahead and clean off the rest of the countertop. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the kitchen by vacuuming up the floor. I feel like I prefer to vacuum the kitchen rather than sweep it. And also, I have been getting down on my hands and knees and spraying the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner on the floor and just taking a rag and wiping up my kitchen because the space in my kitchen is not very big at all, and it takes me maybe 15 minutes to clean the floor, and I feel like I can clean it by hand so much better than a mop or a Swiffer or anything like that. So that's what I've been doing, and it's actually been working really, really well.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
So this is how the kitchen turned out when I was all done cleaning it, and it looked really, really nice. And one of the traditions we have in our house is every single year me and my husband bake cookies and then we decorate them together. So I will have a short clip in here of us decorating the cookies, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some motivation to clean something in your home, and I'm super excited to get back to making videos and just sharing my ideas with all of you in 2020. I'm going to be doing a lot more vlogs throughout the winter just because of the location we're in. I will definitely have some more cleaning videos and things like that as well, but just not as many as normal. But I hope you guys all had an amazing holiday season. I'm kind of sad that they are over, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!